Welcome to the tutorial series teaching you how to use the various analysis functions found on MyNASA Data's visualization tool, the Earth System Data Explorer. You can find relevant links in the video description. For this tutorial, we will look at the Identify Analysis tool. This can be useful for a variety of things, such as finding the latitude and longitude of your location or exploring the values and probing the data around the world. We have already selected the monthly surface air temperature dataset for June of 2025 and zoomed in on the map. If you need help with any of these functions, please see the Introduction to the Earth System Data Explorer tutorial. The Identify function allows you to find a value at a specific location by clicking on the map. To use the function, simply click on the Identify button, and you will have the opportunity to click a location on the map. When you click a location, the map will center on that place and show a black dot at that location. The latitude and longitude will be filled in, as well as the value of the data at that location. You can also enter the latitude and longitude into the fields to find your location. When you have finished, you can exit the tool. See our other videos for details on each of the analysis tools and data download options at our YouTube channel, which is linked in the description.